Okay folks, so we've masked off the paintwork around this headlamp lens, and we're now going to put a piece of tape across the centre like so to do a comparison one side to the other. What I'm going to do now is use a compound along with my drill and polishing pad, and we're going to compound polish this lens and then show you a comparison. So a few drops on the pad like so, and then we'll dab this on, and here we go. Just nice and easy. Will not take much to bring this back. Not sure if you can already see the difference in this. I think I can. Yep. Again, this is something you can do at home with the right equipment, of course. Here we are. Let's see. So we've already done that for a few moments. And what I'm going to do now is remove the tape. Actually, what I'll do first is give it a little wipe, and we'll see if this has. I think it has. I'm going to bring you in closer. Can you see that, folks? The difference. Before and after. We're going to go now and do the rest of the headlamp and move on to the next one. Again, you don't have to use any products that are really abrasive on this because it is a plastic lens. And just take your time, moving up and down, left and right, and let the product do its job. And you'll get marvelous results. Again, there's different brands, different manufacturers out there available. Oh, it's marvelous. What a difference. And in the old days, you'd have went out and bought a new headlight. No need to do that now. Yeah, I think that's starting to look a lot better now. Definitely. So, what I might do actually is put the bonnet down or the hood down for the next one and getting a bit of flick off all over the nice clean engine bay. You have to admit, guys, it is definitely an improvement. Oh, look at that. What I'm going to do now is I'll clean that off the cloth and we'll see if it's made a great difference. I think it has, hasn't it? Just a little bit more. And yeah. So if you look at this one and then look at this one, I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up, but that's bad. And then we'll go over to this one. I think there's a difference, isn't there? There you go. I'll show you more in a moment.